Hello, dear learners of Estonian. You know by now how to use the verb to be with different persons. Let's now look at how to use the verb to be in the negative. You can say, he is not a man, she is not a woman, in two ways. You only need to add ei ole or pole. I am not a woman. Ma ei ole naine or ma pole naine. You are not a woman, sa ei ole naine or sa pole naine. He or she is not a woman, ta ei ole naine or ta pole naine. We are not women, me ei ole naised or me pole naised. You are not women, te ei ole naised or te pole naised. They are not women, nad ei ole naised or nad pole naised. Thank you for watching.